Thank you for purchasing the Peacock Network Enhanced Manageable Optics Fiber Optic Patch Panel. Please view and follow all instructions to ensure proper installation. Unpack each container and verify that all parts are available. While doing so, check the items for any damage. If damage is found or parts are missing, file a claim with the commercial carrier and notify Foton customer service. Save the damaged cartons for inspection by the carrier. Identify the location on the frame where the chassis will be installed. Mount the chassis with 4 screws in the designated mounting location. Mount the fiber management arms on both sides of the front of the chassis. Move to the rear of the frame and press the latch on both sides of the rear cable hanger. Push the rear cable hanger downward until the desired position is achieved. The adapters are numbered 1 to 24 for LC connectors and 1 to 12 for SC connectors. Remove the dust caps from the rear adapters and prepare each connector for installation. Insert the connectors into the adapters by simply pushing them horizontally on the housing of the connector until it is fully seated in the adapter. An audible click will be heard when it is properly inserted. Once complete, pull the rear cable hanger upward until the hook snaps. Adjust the fan-out cables and secure the rear support plate, ensuring no pinching of the cables. Repeat the process as needed for the remaining adapters. For bonding of the chassis, please follow your approved company procedures. Move to the front of the chassis and prepare to install the jumper cable. Detach the front door panel and let it hang until the connectors are installed. Remove the dust caps from the front of the adapters and prepare each connector for installation. Insert connectors into the adapters by simply pushing them horizontally on the housing of the connector until they are fully seated on the adapter. An audible click will be heard when it is properly inserted. Once complete, route the jumper cables to the fiber managers. They're located on both the left and right side of the panel. Notice that there are 3 slots on the fiber managers. Jumper cables from the top array of adapters should be routed to the top fiber manager. Similarly, route the middle jumper cables to the middle fiber manager slot. This will help keep the panel neat, organized, and more serviceable should the need arise. Now reattach the front door. And this completes the installation of the Foton Nemo patch panel. Thank you for watching the installation video. Visit us at gofoton.com for additional information or contact us via email.